Hey friends, today I would like to introduce this functional small gauge loom from brand Alimelt, and I would like to share more as a loom knitter also. This loom set has 6 sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also with these additional knitting accessories. The small pink loom has 20 packs. This blue one has 44 packs. And the red one loom has 62 packs. The green one loom has 72 packs. The biggest yellow one loom has 82 packs. Plus this lamb's 36 long loom, it has 76 6 packs. With this small gauge loom, you will create many knitting projects like scarves, hats, and also you can with this bigger yellow one to knit a small panel blanket and then sew several panels together to make a bigger blanket. So why with these additional knitting accessories? So many knitting accessories. You know, we can knit it together with our family members. Besides, sometimes, you know, we will lose these small items. And with this additional many colorful loom hooks, that means even we lost one, we still have 3, right? So this is a very good consideration for knitters who is very easily in lost something. And for these stitching marks, which is very good. If you have pattern decided, you can simply put the stitch mark on the packs, then to distinguish the packs between each. And also with the measuring tape and the wrapping yarn, you can thread the yarn through this wrapping tube and then wrapping the packs in this way. And also this additional crochet hook. So I thought this is very useful, colorful knitting accessories. And now for the packs, I need to emphasize, for these small gauge looms, it is very good for thin yarn, also the thicker yarn. So what if you holding a thicker yarn, a very thick yarn? My answer is you can remove, the packs is removable. You can remove the packs. Like in this way, with the temper, and remove the pack to cater your design. Again, I explain again. This loom pack, or this yellow one, or this green one, red one, blue one, or pink one. The loom set, the entire loom set from Alimelt brand, the packs is removable. That means you can decide your knitting project according to the packs you need. Also, that means whatever you use thin yarn or thick yarn, very thick yarn. You can simply remove the bag, maybe one by one or whatever. So now let's compare this green one with this blue one, with this green one with this yellow one. If your yarn is thin, then knit it with this small gauge loom. If your yarn is very thick, so knit it in this way. So when you're holding a thin yarn, we use this small gauge loom. When you are holding a very thick yarn, you simply remove the pegs, and then left the half quantity of pegs, and then knit it with the very thick yarn. So you can see this is very good design for thin yarn or for thick yarn. If you want to back to this small gauge one, and want to put the loom peg into the hold of loom, you need to with the help of this hammer, and it will be better to wrap the hammer with the transparent tape in order to avoid scratch the pegs. So now we put the loom peg onto the loom hole, and then with the help of hammer. Okay, so now we put the pegs in, we insert the pegs into the loom now. So some people will have worry. They have worry if the pegs removable. Is it loose? Of course, no. The pegs is not loose. It's hard to remove with your hand. It's solid, not loose, very solid, So that's why we say if you want to remove the pegs, you need the help of vise, and the vise also wrapping the transparent tape in order to avoid scratch the peg, like in this way, with the help of vise and the vise wrapping with transparent tape to pull the peg out of the loom. If without the vise tools, it's very hard to pull the pegs out of the loom. So don't worry, pegs is solid, and it's removable with the help of tools. So this is a very great design, and very good consideration of these knitting accessories. So I wish everyone enjoy the knitting.